Guess this is a basic room at the Marriott Canary Wharf. Got a huge safe and hair dryer, a couple of dental kit. Interesting. Emery board. Anything in here? No extra goodies. So pretty good storage for your stuff. And then in here we've got a bunch of hangers, a ironing board, and conveniently an umbrella because it is raining big time today. Toilet and vanity, and they've gone to the new version where they provide you with the built-in shampoo. That's the shower head, and then into the main room. So we've got the coffee machine, mini bar. Nothing in there. And okay, so there's a bit of space. So if you pop across to the grocery store, you can grab some snacks or some room drinks. Big screen TV, little sitting area, and the let's see what we have here. Yeah, we've got now it's just plugins, and it looks like USB on that side, and yep, same on this side. You can't really see anything because it's 4 o'clock, so it's dark out, but we're right on the canal, so it's a beautiful view. And they got these funky little floating boat things. So it'll be nice to see it in the day.